Botanically, the coconut palm is not a tree since there is no bark, no branches, or secondary growth. The coconut tree grows from a single seed, which is an entire coconut, taking between 3 and 8 years to bear fruit, and living between 60 and 100 years, producing an annual yield of 50 to 100 coconuts. The coconut can be used for food in the forms of fiber, fruit or meat, milk, oil, and water. Because of their versatility, coconut palms are also known as the tree of life. Of all the coconut trees that had grown in Sabah, there is one coconut tree that had become famous. The tree was growing tall and mighty in the northern town of Sabah called Kudat. The uniqueness of this coconut tree was its 3 branches attracting numerous curious visitors. It was photographed and was widely disseminated around the world in the 1960s as a postcard from Borneo. Even though coconut trees with branches are very rare, yet they can be found in many places like this one growing in India.